Welcome back to Best Gadget Deals. Today I found 15 insanely cool gadgets from AliExpress that you probably didn't know existed, and some of them are actually genius. All product links are in the description below so you can check them out. Let's start with gadget number 1. VT Wireless Virtual Laser Keyboard Projector. This virtual laser keyboard is seriously futuristic. It projects a full keyboard onto any flat surface in seconds. Perfect for phones, tablets, or laptops when carrying a real keyboard feels annoying. Wireless connection makes typing anywhere super easy. A great gadget for travel, work, or just feeling like a sci-fi hacker. This camping lantern is built like an all-in-one survival light. Huge 15,600 mAh battery means long-lasting brightness for trips or emergencies. The telescopic design makes it compact but powerful when opened. Magnetic base and waterproof body make it perfect for outdoor use. One of the best lights for camping, travel, or blackout backup. This mini finger drone is small, but it delivers big fun. Pocket-sized design makes it easy to carry anywhere. The 4K wide-angle camera captures smooth and stable footage with anti-shake. Brushless motors give it stronger flight performance and better control. A perfect drone for quick cinematic shots and cool outdoor moments. Wooask A8 ChatGPT Translation Earbuds. These translation earbuds feel like having a smart interpreter in the ear. They support 144 online and 16 offline languages for travel convenience. Real-time two-way translation makes conversations smooth and natural. Great for tourists, business, or meeting people from different countries. One of the smartest gadgets for communication without language barriers. This mini keychain camera is both stylish and surprisingly useful. Retro design makes it a cute gift, but it also records in 1080p quality. Wearable and portable, perfect for capturing daily moments instantly. Supports multiple storage options up to 128 GB for more memories. A fun, practical gadget for decoration and real video recording. MSAI T20 Translator device. This MSAI T20 Translator is honestly a travel game changer. It supports 160 languages with real-time voice, photo, and camera translation. Even offline mode works great when there's no internet outside. Perfect for airports, shopping, or talking with locals instantly. A smart little assistant that makes traveling way easier. This Ring remote is super cool for scrolling videos hands-free. Works smoothly with TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Just tap to turn pages, swipe, or control scrolling like magic. Great for creators, readers, or lazy couch browsing. Small gadget, but it feels surprisingly powerful. This mini camera may look tiny, but it records in full HD 1080p. Perfect for indoor or outdoor surveillance with a compact design. Includes a 32 GB card, so recording starts right away. Great for home safety, travel monitoring, or office security. Small size, big protection. This FNB58 USB Tester is a must-have for tech lovers. It measures voltage, current, fast charging, ripple, and capacity. Works perfectly with Type-C chargers and power banks. Helps check if a cable or charger is actually performing well. A smart tool that saves devices from bad charging setups. This transparent plasma lighter looks futuristic and stylish. Rechargeable with Type-C fast charging and totally waterproof. Double arc ignition works even in windy outdoor conditions. Also includes a cob light, making it perfect for camping. A modern lighter that's safer and way cooler than traditional ones. This smart ring is honestly a next-level wearable because it actually has a tiny display screen built in. Touch controls make it feel futuristic, and wireless charging keeps everything super convenient. It tracks health data like a personal wellness manager right on the finger. With 5 ATM waterproof protection, it's perfect for daily use, even in rain or workouts. A stylish and smart upgrade for both men and women. Black Shark T11 TWS Earbuds. These earbuds bring serious gaming energy with active noise cancellation and cool RGB lighting. Bluetooth 5.3 gives faster connection and super stable audio without annoying drops. The low latency mode makes videos and games feel perfectly synced. Battery life is impressive too, up to 30 hours with the case. A great pick for anyone wanting power, style, and performance in one. Eight-port USB-C docking station hub. This USB-C hub is basically the ultimate laptop expansion tool. It adds HDMI 4K output, multiple USB 3 ports, and even an RJ45 Ethernet connection. Transfer speeds hit up to 5 Gbps, making file movement super quick. Perfect for MacBooks or modern laptops with limited ports. A must-have gadget for productivity and clean desk setups. This flashlight is small but insanely powerful, pushing up to 2800 lumens. The high CRI LED makes colors look natural, not washed out like cheap torches. USB-C rechargeable support makes it modern and travel-friendly. It reaches up to 340 meters, great for outdoor, emergency, or daily carry use. Plus, the multicolor auxiliary lights add a really premium touch. These solar step lights are perfect for adding beauty and safety outside. They charge during the day and automatically glow at night with no wiring needed. IP65 waterproof protection makes them reliable in rain or harsh weather. Great for stairs, patios, fences, balconies, and garden paths. A simple upgrade that makes outdoor spaces look way more premium.